Hello everyone, welcome to the final lesson of our course, which is the last lesson to the course 30 Days to Powerful Vocabulary. And in this lesson, I'm going to discuss some of the most beautiful words in English language. This course is and was presented by me, Harshita Jain. I'm pursuing my graduation from Delhi University. If you like my courses, do follow me on Unacademy and do rate and review the courses if you like them and recommend each lesson that you like. Somewhere here is the recommend option. So the first word is AQUIVER, which means quivering or trembling. The ground was all aquiver with the stir of new life. So the ground was all trembling with the stir of new life. Now this is kind of poetic sentence or using metaphor. The next word is mellifluous. Now mellifluous means a sound that is sweet and pleasing to hear. I couldn't have been more impressed by her mellifluous voice. So mellifluous is a very nice adjective to be used when you hear somebody who speaks in a very pleasant voice. So you can call her voice or his voice mellifluous, and that would leave a very good impression. Okay, so the next word is ineffable. Now ineffable means too great to be expressed in words. Now this is 2TOO, sorry for this. Too great to be expressed in words. It was the first time we met and the experience is ineffable to explain. Okay, so too great to be expressed in words means it was the first time we met and I cannot explain the feeling in words. So this is how you use this. The next word that we have is nefarious. Now nefarious means wicked or despicable. I know the list of nefarious uses of the internet, but on balance, we are building it for good purposes. Okay? So I know the list of nefarious uses of internet, the bad uses of internet, but then on balance, we are building it for good purposes. The next word is epoch. Now epoch means a particular time in history or in a person's life. Pasteur's important researches mark an epoch in the technical aspect of fermentation. Now this is just to tell you that how you can use this word. The next word is PETRICHOR, which means the pleasant earthly smell after rain. Now you have the word for this. I did not know the word for this before this lesson, and when I was finding the content for the lessons, this is what I found, and I really liked it because this word I was searching since years, and this is really nice. So you have it now. The next word is oblivion, which means being unaware of what's happening around you. So whenever you find such a person, he's in oblivion. Okay, so this is how you can use it. So we're done with the words for today. And the final lesson, AQUIVER, which means trembling, mellifluous, which means somebody who a sound that is really pleasant to you hearing. Ineffable, which means too great to be expressed in words. Nefarious, which means wicked. Epoch, which means a particular time in history. PETRICHOR, which means the pleasant earthly smell after rain. And oblivion, final, which means the state of being unaware. So with this, we are done with the course. I hope you liked all the lessons. If you liked it, do let me know. And the best way you can do it, giving a review. Do write a review for the course. And if you have got any questions, do let me know in the Unacademy digest or comment section. So before getting over, I'll give you just one last suggestion that for any sort of vocabulary improvement, you need a lot of practice. An easy way. Go the easy way. Don't try to muck up. Just use those words again and again in the. See, it's very easy. Suppose I discuss mellifluous today. So you can just compliment somebody. Don't unnecessarily compliment somebody. That's not the way I'm talking. But just compliment somebody. Just say to somebody. So that way you'll remember it. Okay? So you'll remember all these words and they'll feed in your head. And write more, read more. Stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. Bye bye.